Okay guys, this is originally why I started recording, doing audio work, and it wasn't because of ghosts and spirits. It was because I wanted to see what I say in my sleep. And this is this is the greatest thing I've ever caught me saying. I'm talking so fast, there is absolutely no way that I would be able to talk this fast in real life. I'd bite my tongue off. And this was earlier this week too. I mean, it almost sounds like another language. I've tried slowing it down, I've tried backing it up, I've tried reverse speeching it, it's all gibberish. But it's wild what the subconscious mind thinks about. Now, here's another clip that I recorded myself sleep talking earlier this week also, too. And again, this is just me sleep talking. And it's not it's just sleep mumbling. But and it kind of sounds like, oh, that's a good suggestion. But it's just I just want to know what was on my mind, and that's just the whole reason why I started recording it. It wasn't because of spirits and ghosts. Um, I only discovered I only discovered that I do have spirits in my house once I was starting this little experiment, trying to find out this stuff. It's just so quick. There's no way I could talk like that in real life. Now, this clip is an interesting one. This is a full spirit conversation, but it's so hard to make out in between me tossing and turning in my bed. If you can hear it, this is where it gets weird. This is where the clip is. The EVP starts. That's speech. And then right over here. And this is all in my room. And my door is shut, windows are shut. There should be nothing. My audio recorder shouldn't be picking up anything. And this is how low it was, too, originally. I mean, I heard this with earbuds, so, and this is with peak amplification. Now this one over here, this one is interesting. It's like a hissing sound. I do have an air vent next to my bed, but I've never heard it do this before. Watch. Notice how as soon as it sounds like it says my name, Steve, and it sounds like it's saying Steve. Notice how I just start rolling around in bed. This is all me just rolling around in bed. There's no way that's an air vent. Now watch this. Voice change? Listen to what I discovered using the voice change. I don't know what that voice is in the background. Here, watch. It sounds like it's saying we win, and again, I only noticed this once I slowed down the audio. I did not even pick up on this clip that was here, but it sounds like it's saying we win, or we. We win. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. And I don't know, this could be an owl in the background, but it's hard to say because it was at 5:14 in the morning. Or dog. And, I mean, tell me what you guys think in the comment section, what you guys hear. That's all for today.